Say hello to our retail button box. It comes folded up and saran wrapped together like this, but it folds out into a sturdy box made of corrugated cardboards, not like some just cardstock printed flimsy thing. This is like a real box. It also is bigger than most button boxes, and it has these nifty little tabs, which I'll show you, for hanging your buttons. It just folds out like this, and then, let me see if I can arrange this a little better. Okay, so, and then this folds in like this, and this folds up like this. And then that side folds down to kind of hold that together. These two sides fold in like this. And then this goes up like this. And now you can fill it with your buttons. And you can use these tabs here to display your designs. Ta-da! The retail button box. It holds a lot of buttons and is sturdy. Once you are done using it, you can use it as a storage container as well. It's a substantial, real